22-year-old woman entrepreneur in Belgaum, a city in Indian state of Karnataka, and the place where I was born. Samruddhi Borkhade founded a company called Drishti, a brand which is mainly focusing on women empowerment and sustainable fashion products. Welcome to 5 to 7 series of Life Loosened Up, and this is your host Katie running this channel to spread the awareness with the hope of making small changes in someone's life.
Ever since my graduation days, I had this keen interest into entrepreneurship and leadership, and I think this passion of becoming a woman entrepreneur led me to start with Drishti brand.
3 common problems she went through, like you and me. Number 1, comparison. Number 2, lack of support. Number 3, criticism.
I started Drishti with the purpose of investing, empowering all the women, especially from the rural as well as the semi-urban, women who have creativity, talent, and they love working with new ideas.
The sex ratio of the entire world population is 101 males to 100 females as per 2020 estimation. In India, man is always considered as working gender and woman to handle the house chores with little or no exposure to the financial matters of the house.
Our mission is to make the products from waste fabrics, especially creative earrings, accessories, women clothing, and even we are increasing with the men's clothing wear.
This shows that Samruddhi is totally dedicated and have a planned goal in her mind. Drishti is working with women from Belgaum city, including nearby rural household women, to support them and trying to make a significant impact. Currently, there are more than 25 household women who are helping them to make their products. This involves 3 simple steps. Number 1, hand over the raw materials to them. Number 2, assign a dedicated time to them. Number 3, they have to supply the order back to Drishti. One of the main aim of Samruddhi is to empower household women who cannot go to workplace but who have interest and talent, but due to some reasons cannot travel to the workplace.
We have to make a very smart choice as to how, whatever we buy, its usage, its shelf life, that can really help, to reduce the damage caused by us to the earth.
This is not the end yet. The primary focus of Samruddhi is pretty straightforward and simple. How they can reduce the amount of plastic and metals needed to produce this product. While in a conversation, I remember her quoting, "One should not judge themselves on their marks, but should explore themselves to their fullest potential and believe in themselves that they can become something in life." Drishti did not happen to her just in few weeks or months. It is her own journey of becoming herself first and then exploring interest and tapping her highest potential. Being in an era of social media, youngsters and everyone are just trying to follow each other or just flow with the trend. You know what? There is something that is missing. One should understand the importance of self. These are not my words. This is what Samruddhi says. She is first generation from her family to be an entrepreneur, an only daughter who was never afraid to achieve her dreams. There are 92.5% of people who have watched our videos but have not subscribed to our channel. I will try to bring stories like this and try to narrate the story in 5 to 7 minutes. And this is not possible without you. Yes, for better reach without you. please click on like button of this video and please subscribe to our channel Life Loosened Up. I have provided all the details about Samruddhi and Drishti in the description section of this video. Please check out.